Welcome to Drive Dynamics, where we bring you the most exciting and comprehensive reviews of the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we dive into a legend reborn, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63, a powerhouse of luxury, performance, and timeless design. The 2025 AMG G63 continues to uphold its iconic boxy design, enhanced with a few subtle modern touches that elevate its road presence. Its massive Panamericana grille, signature round headlights, and aggressive body lines are complemented by new aerodynamic elements, making it unmistakably AMG. Under the hood, the G63 boasts a refined 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an astonishing 585 horsepower and 627 pounds-ft of torque. The addition of mild hybrid technology enhances efficiency without compromising its raw power. Coupled with an AMG-tuned 9-speed automatic transmission and control, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds, a feat that's remarkable for a luxury SUV of its size. Inside, the G63 is a sanctuary of opulence and cutting-edge technology. The handcrafted Nappa leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and customizable ambient lighting create an ultra-premium cabin experience. The dual 12.3-inch displays provide seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle. Mercedes has also enhanced the G63's off-road capabilities. With advanced adjustable suspension, off-road modes, and increased ground clearance, this SUV is as capable on rugged terrains as it is on city streets. It retains its iconic ladder frame construction while integrating state-of-the-art tech. Whether you're navigating urban landscapes or exploring untamed trails, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 stands as a testament to automotive excellence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Drive Dynamics for more thrilling reviews. Let us know in the comments what excites you most about the new